Hi guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to Rameshsoft video tutorials. So as a part of Lombok, right, in this video we will discuss about 4 annotations. In the last video we discussed about @data, @getter and @set annotations. In this video we will discuss about these 4 annotations. The first one is @non-null. The second one is @nox constructor. Third one is @allox constructor. The fourth one is @required ops constructor. What is that? Now for you guys, whenever you annotate @null, @non-null on parameter level, right, it insert a word null check. So we should not pass what? Null values. See here now what it means. Let me take one example. So here I am writing @setter and getter method at class level. So for these variables, for all these 3 variables, getter and setter methods are generated. If you are writing at variables level, only for that variables it's going to be generated. Now what I'm doing is info dot set address. I'm writing like null. Set address I'm writing like null, and I'm getting sys of info dot get address. See here now, if I run this, no issues at all. We'll get what? Null values. So what I'm doing is I want to restrict this null values. So here what I'm doing is we have one annotation called what is that? Null. Now the moment we add non-null at parameter level, right, it will insert what? Null check. Should not have what? Null values. We should not pass null values. If you try to pass, we'll get null pointer exception. I have seen here. I have observed. So here we are getting what? Null pointer exception. Address is marked as what? Non-final, but it is badly what? Null. Is that? Yes. Now this is the use of what? Non-null. So the next one is annotation is no-ox constructor. So whenever you write no-ox constructor, here I am writing at the class level. I am writing @ no-ox constructor. If you write like this, it's going to generate no-ox constructor. Okay, check that. See here now, here we create object, right? Whenever we create object, internally what is going to be executed? Default constructor is going to be executed. So this that. Now what I'm doing is I want to generate parameter as the constructor. To do that, we have 2 annotations are there. One is all ox constructor, the second one is what? Required ox constructor. What it means? What is the difference? Let me go with first term, @all ox constructor. So what we'll do is whenever we annotate @all ox constructor at class level, generates an all ox constructor and all ox constructor requires one argument for every field in the class. What it means? See, now I am writing, let me remove this time being. So I am writing all arguments constructor. See now with this line what I am restricting that it should generate the what now? Parameter as the constructor. How many parameters I am having here? 3, right? 3 parameters I am having. So it's going to generate with what? 3 parameters as the constructor. I am writing some string. Stored name as Rameshsoft, and then I am writing phone number. I am writing something 9177714556, comma address I am writing as Hyderabad. See here now, is there any compile number? No. So whenever I am writing @all-ox constructor, it is going to generate all-ox constructor with some field. That's all. Yes. So requires argument mandatory. This one is required some argument or not? Yes. So the next one is what is this @required ox constructor? Right. So generates a constructor with the required arguments, of course, and required arguments are what? Final fields and fields with constraints such as what? Non-null. Here, right? In this case, @all-ox constructor, if you want you can pass the what now? Null. If you want you can pass as a what now? Now let me remove this constraint. If you want, we can pass what now? Null values, no problem at all. Now say now, let me get that values. Sys of, let me comment on this. I'm writing info dot get things to be, and one more is sys of info dot get phone number. Now see now, no issue at all. It will take what? Null values. So the same thing, if I write with instead of all args, if I write with this @ required args constructor, @ required args constructor, we'll get what now? Compile time error, because generates a constructor with required arguments, and required arguments are what? Final fields, and fields with constraints such as what? Non-null. It should not be what? Null. If I write this right, now I'm writing address as a what? Now see now, is there any issues? No issue at all. Now see now. So now it's generating what now? The constructor with a null values. See now. So @ required args constructor generates a constructor with required arguments. Required arguments are final fields and fields with constraints such as what? Non-null. So this, whenever you are writing @ required args, what is going to become? @ non-null is going to come. Like what I'm doing is, I'm writing what now? See here now, if I run this, what is going to happen? We'll get what now? Null pointer exception, because address is not as a what? Not final, but it is what? Fine. So remember 2 points. Whenever we are writing @ all args constructor, these parameters need not be what? Non-null, not required. But whenever you write @ required args, which arguments you require, that you need to make it as a what? No. Definitely, this should be have what? Somewhere. That means, what exactly the difference between @ all args constructor and @ required args constructor is, @ all constructor generates an on args constructor and requires one argument for every field in the class. Those are not what? Non-null. But whereas @ required args constructor, right? When we annotate that, generates a constructor with required arguments, and the required arguments are what? Final fields. And fields that constrains, what is that? @ null. Right? So if you are passing any null values, we'll get what now? Null pointer exception. As you guys know that we have a Rameshsoft channel. In this channel, we have a number of videos on Java, Selenium, Cucumber, database, Java 1.8, 1.9 features, right? Please subscribe the videos. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.